guys, and welcome on our YouTube channel. In this clip I want to show you some strategy and some techniques against multiple attackers in a really close range. I show you a strategy about that, and hope you will enjoy this exercise and this kind of training. Thank you to watch and enjoy this clip. So first I will show you the strategy. I have this situation, that's me, and that's my two opponents, yes? So here I'm in the L position. When this opponent is behind me, these are my arms, yes? This is a really strange situation, I can't see what's happened, what you want to do. But this is a situation maybe in the real life, and it's really important to train, train like that. So first, my focus is on this first. I cannot do on two fronts, so it's better you have the focus more on that. The strategy is when one or this one punch on me, yes, I prefer to go to this side. And then I have here this end position. So this is one line. Here's like a circle, and here is one line. This is the strategy. I use this one like a shield against this one. And in this situation, I will punch my opponent. Also here. Yes? It's not easy, I know, but it's really interesting to train a part like that. So now I start with my partners to show you the situation, and yeah. Okay, we have this situation. They are really close to me, you see? Really close. It's a really bad situation because we have no time for a good reaction. Important is that I have a strategy. I like to go to this angle. I know that in the beginning, yes? We can start first to punch, but normally it's another attacks us and we have the defense first. So important is the first I have a good position like that. I'm a little bit closer than him and he's a little bit to the side. So the next one, I want to go to this side. You see, I go out and have these two guys in one line. So for him, when he wants to punch me, I have to move. He go to the right side maybe, I go there. He go to the left side, I go there. In the same position I'm here, I punch my opponent. Yes? Like a hook. But here I turn here with my fists. Yes? So I don't like to hit like that or that. So I turn here, I have here control, and punch from the left or right side. When you go to this side maybe, you can hit like that. You maybe come from another side, I go and hit like that. Okay? So first, important is you have a good position. The second one is you have a good strategy. Yes? My strategy for this kind of attack is I go to the left side from my side and his right side. The next one is important. I have really up my hands. So when you talk like this and he punch me from the side, you have no reaction time. So my hands are really high because when he punch me, yes, I have maybe a cover there. I can hit like this one to the side. I can start again here to punch my opponent. The same strategy I can use also when he punch me. So maybe it's there, I go to the side and also I'm on the side from here. So I don't change the side. I have my fixed strategy. I go to the left side from me. It's not important. He or he attacks me or both. This is my strategy. This is important. You have a plan. First, you have the right position. You have a good strategy, and your hands are really up. When he punch me, I use here my cover, my universal cover. It's working in all situations. When he punch me, you see. He punch me, I have a good position. When he punch me, it's also good. Yes? So what I have to do, I grab his body, here what I found, and pull him here to the side. I control him with my arm, and then I can punch him, I can hit him, whatever. You see? I can hit the back, but it's not so strong like these punches from the side. Yeah, that's it. In the next clip, I will show you another technique when he grabbed me from the side. So you have a different strategy. I hope you enjoy this clip and you can learn many things of that. Thank you to watch. See you soon. Bye bye. When you like the clip, give us a thumb, share it, And yeah, see you soon.